Hi guys, this is Manster and I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Steelbird Air helmet today. I had ordered it around a week ago, then I went to Mumbai and couldn't collect my package. It was delivered to me today, so here we go. There's a box inside the original box. So this is the Steelbird Air. Sorry guys, I'm terrible at this. This is the clear transparent visor I had ordered, because you cannot order, they only give you one visor with it. There are two options. One is the smoke visor, one is the transparent visor. I had ordered the smoke visor along with the helmet and the transparent visor separately. So this is the Steelbird Air Freeride helmet. I'll be reviewing this within this video afterwards. So guys, this is the Steelbird Air helmet which we got out of the box. I ordered a smoke visor along with it and a transparent visor separately. The visors are easily detachable. You can just pull out the screw and then you can take out the visor and replace the new one. It is pretty easy at that. Some features of this helmet are: it is the first ventilating helmet made by an Indian company, Steelbird. The ventilators are up. You can slide the slider and it will open out the vent from the, it will open out the air intake from here, and you can also open out the chin air intake from here. The exhausts for the air are at the back side of it. One thing that I found in this Steelbird helmet, other than different from the other Steelbird helmets that I've used, is that the sizing is a problem when it comes to the other Steelbird Air helmets. I use another Steelbird Air helmet and the 600 size, which is the medium size in that, is too loose, and the 600 size in this helmet is too tight for me. Probably there are sizing differences between the two helmets, or even the shape. As I'm not accustomed to it, I haven't ridden it much. One thing that I would point it out, that anybody who's looking to buy this helmet for the chin mount, the mount doesn't go all the way down, as it has a step down from the main body and the rubber extension here. You cannot put the chin mount from here directly down below, as there's an air gap, at least this much. There's a air gap, so it doesn't go all the way down, and I'll have to look for an alternative to do my chin mount from here. Performance wise, I haven't ridden it much, but it is a very good helmet. It does keep the moisture outside your helmet, as it has got air vents, and it actually cools cools your head in the summer, as some other users have pointed out. It has got a replaceable lining inside. You can remove it if you want to wash it. It has got replaceable liners on the sides too. One thing that I found on the Steelbird website is that they were claiming that there's a mouth guard for the Steelbird Air helmet. I don't know if they're referring to the mouth guard as this, but usually the mouth guard keeps the frost out and has a nose protector here. Not exactly a protector, but it has got a frame here which keeps the fog outside of it. I don't know if they're referring to the mouth guard as that, or if they're referring to the mouth guard as this. This is just a plastic frame that they've nutted into it, and nothing more than that. I'll have to look forward as the site doesn't load. Rest the performance of the helmet is quite as what they say. Keeps the moisture out, keeps the heat out, and it is also completely waterproof. You can close these vents so that the water doesn't seep into your helmet, and it also comes in very many shapes and sizes, different shapes and sizes. So guys, that be all for now. If you want to know anything about the helmet, you can comment down below, and also please do subscribe. This is Manster signing out.